Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Polio Jr. and welcome to the next giveaway. And as you've seen in the past, the giveaways are typically pretty interesting. So, as you can see, we are actually at a part of my website as of right now, and I'm going to explain this as simply as possible, and everything is going to be in the description down below. So, what is up for grabs is a $30 Amazon gift card. So that's for anybody that does the following. So, and as we know, we did have two winners in the last one. There's going to be, I don't even want to call it a twist. I just see this as a win-win for everybody. But it's a little bit different than just commenting and liking the video, which you still need to do. But there's some added, a little bit added fun in here, a little bit more interaction with this one. So, in order to be eligible for the $30 Amazon gift card giveaway, you, I, here's the actual description here, or the website, and it shows you everything on what to do. The first thing you're going to need to do, um, before we get into this, the first thing that you're going to need to do is uh, the same as usual, is like this video and comment on this video. So those are the first two things that you need to do. Now, here is where we have the little interactive part, which I think is actually really cool and benefits everybody, regardless if you win the Amazon gift card or not. You're still going to win something for nothing, literally. So, um, so what I am, in order to be eligible for this $30 Amazon gift card, I'll put a link in the description for this. But what you're going to do is actually open up a free Robinhood account. I can't highlight on here, but a free Robinhood account with my referral link. And in doing that, you will receive a free stock no matter what. So, like I said, regardless if you win the giveaway, you still get a free stock. And like I say here, you can do whatever you want with it. You can keep the stock, um, or you can sell it. It doesn't matter. It's free money, and if you don't want to keep the account, you can close the Robinhood account whenever you want. It doesn't matter. So, and there's nothing here that's everything is completely 100% legitimate. So I absolutely love Robinhood. I've done I think even one or two videos on Robinhood. So um, and then I go down, I discuss here really quick what you have to do. Basically, what will happen is once you receive your free stock, and this is just an example of what it would look like, except I edited it a little bit just to show you what yours would look like. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger real quick. And it's going to say, this is what you should get on your, once you do receive your free stock. It'll say reward. The stock will probably, it won't be this specific one. You actually have a pretty good chance of either winning like an Apple stock, a Ford stock, or a GE stock. And then as long as it says referred by Paul E., which is me, and then that date in there will say, as long as it says between October 23rd, 2018 to November 13th, 2018. So I'm giving you guys a little bit of time here because it might take a day or two for some of this stuff to go through for anybody. So once you have that, once you have actually received the stock, the free stock, I will actually be able to see that you did. I won't be able to see any of your personal information. I'll just see your first name and last initial. And I go on in this on the web page here on what to do. So all you have to do after that is take a screenshot and upload it into this discussion panel down here, or this little discussion blog. Uh, so I actually uploaded mine from April. So this was what I actually did receive back in April. So I just put here as a sample upload. So what you would do is you would take the screenshot off of your phone, and you can do this all on your phone. And you would, but I'm just showing you through, um, I'm actually on my computer, and you would just click that little upload image icon here, and upload that screenshot. And as long as it would say, I uploaded my original one, so this is one that I did receive back in April. It was from a buddy, Jason V of mine, who referred me to Robinhood, and it said referred by Jason V, and then it said the date and so forth, and then the stock that I received. And even though this one at the time was only $3.03, it was still free. But like I said, you still have a pretty good shot of getting a um, a stock that's worth $10 and over, and you even have a decent shot of getting an Apple stock, which is worth over $200. Either way, it's free. Doesn't matter. So this is actually the one that I'm circling around here was actually my screenshot of when I did receive my free stock. So, and just make sure that when you upload it, like I put my name is Paulio Jr. and I'm the moderator. So, so make sure that is your YouTube handle. So this is very simple. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. So what you're gonna do is like this video, comment on this video saying whatever you want. You're going to visit this page and then sign up with my referral link from Robinhood, and then just upload your screenshot of when you have actually received your stock, and that's it. So upload that and upload it with your actual YouTube handle. So my YouTube handle is Paulio Jr. So that's why it says Paulio Jr. here. And then after that, I will go through the like I did before with the YouTube random comment generator, and I will pick one random comment from this video, and I will go back to this page and look at all the uploads and look at the handle. So let's just say I'm looking at a receipt here. Your name was Dollar Tree One that you commented on this video. I'll say okay, well, Dollar Tree One, the number one, actually was picked. So let me go back here. Okay, here's Dollar Tree One. Here is their screenshot that they received. That they were referred by Paul E, and it was between these dates. So that's the winner. And then I can actually see in my account that you were referred by me and that you did receive your stock. And from there, I will send you a $30 Amazon e-gift card via email, just like the two previous winners won before. So I figured I'd make it $30 a little bit more interesting than $25. And like I said, there's really nothing to lose here. Like Robinhood is just this very simple whatchamacallit, stock brokerage application that you install on your phone. So, and like I said, you don't have to know anything about stocks or anything like that. I'm just trying to make this kind of a fun giveaway, and where regardless if you win the regardless if you don't win the actual gift card, you still win free money regardless of how much it is. Yeah, this one was a little bit lower. It was $3, whatever. Um, but like I said, you still have a good chance of getting some decent stocks for free. So there isn't anything else behind this as far as like they're gonna start charging you or anything like that. No, you're just gonna get a free stock, and then you can do whatever you want with it. So like I said, keep it, sell it, and then just get rid of Robinhood altogether if you really want to. but I just wanted to make it a little bit more interactive for everybody. So yeah, I hope that was. I feel like it is very simple. So instead of just commenting and liking the video, so but even though you are still going to do that, so comment on the video, like the video, sign up with Robinhood with my link, and then upload your the screenshot of when you did receive your stock, and I just have to see that it was referred by me, Paul E, and I'll see that the date was between 10/23/2018 and 11/13 2018. I'll verify everything, and then I will send you a $30 Amazon. A, a random comment will win. So I'll just go back in here and double check everything, double check the email and all that good stuff, and you will receive, besides your free stock, you will receive a $30 Amazon e-gift card via your email. And that's it. So all the information is in the description below, and all the information is also in this link as well. So everything will be down below. So just follow the directions, and you, like I said, to reiterate once again, you will already win a free stock to do whatever you want with. And then you also have the chance of winning a $30 Amazon e-gift card. So just trying to share the wealth and make this as fun and interesting as possible. I will announce the winner on November 14th, 2018. So look forward to that. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck to everyone. And I'm going to bed.